Warm greetings. I am Veena, the Wellbeing Practitioner of Banyan Tree Alula. Joining me today are my associates, Mompo and Joanne. Together, we are going to represent one of the 8 pillars, growth as a well-being Wednesday activity. We will learn and demonstrate how to create a mandala art from the nature. Mandala is a layered circular representation of balance, unity, and growth. We begin by collecting the elements that are significant in creating a natural mandala. Stones form the inner layer, the foundation. It symbolizes the safety and stability. Soil or sand is the second layer. It represents openness and acceptance. Third layer symbolizes changes and learning and consists of leaves, fallen twigs, or tree barks. They remind us that growth comes through cycles. The fourth layer is seeds. It represents intention and future. And the final layer represents expression and blooming and symbolized by flowers or fruits. Growth happens together with intention and connection.